In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect MetaMask to Aster DEX. Now, first you need to go to Aster's official website. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment that will take you to the official Aster DEX website, and if you sign up using my link, you'll get a discount on all trading fees forever, so make sure you check it out. As I said, link down below. So to connect MetaMask, up here, top right, you first have to select the chain or network you'd like to use. So as you likely know, MetaMask does support all of these, so BNB chain, Ethereum, Arbitrum, and Solana. So just select the one you want. I'm gonna go with the Ethereum network for now. And then after this, of course, you must make sure you actually do have MetaMask wallet as an extension on your browser. So for example, if you are using Chrome, you can just go ahead and go to the Chrome Web Store and then install MetaMask wallet from there. So once you do that, click on the Connect Wallet button up here, and then just select MetaMask on the list. It's going to pop up a window from MetaMask, and then in here, you basically just have to click on the Connect button. It's going to start connecting, and just like that, your MetaMask wallet has been connected to Aster. And then you can just switch to different chains over here by basically clicking on them, and then you can just approve the switch, and there we go, the switch has happened. You can basically go to any of these networks you want. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.